Welcome back to Mr. Slover's Math. Today we're going to talk about a digital footprint. So this top part, just like previous notes, is asking you just to kind of do some research on your own and then go ahead and fill out whatever you find. So I want to skip down to number 4. It says, if you post something online, do you think it is easy to delete? Now I know that this was a question posed to you, and we're going to talk about it, but I want you to realize that it's not easy to delete something that's posted online. And just like number 5, yes, I did want you to try it on your own, but I want you to realize that if you apply for a job, do you think your new boss can use what you post to determine if you get the job or not? That is a yes. So make sure that you are, I don't know if you're able to find that on the internet or not as a answer, but the answer is yes. So your digital footprint is a trail of data you create while using the internet. Examples of your digital footprint are your search history, the emails that you receive or send, online quizzes that you take, anything that's on your social media, any post you make on TikTok or comment you make on YouTube or any Instagram message. Okay, all of that is your digital footprint. And anything that's posted can never be permanently deleted. So even if you delete something from your computer, there's still a good chance that you can find it or you can have someone else find it. Okay, so just think, if you post something on the internet, there's probably a way better chance that someone is going to keep that information somewhere. So even if you hit delete, that doesn't mean it's actually gone. It's still out there somewhere for someone potentially to use. So how do you make a small digital footprint? Well, you delete or deactivate accounts you are not using. So if you're not using something, just get rid of the account. That doesn't mean that anything that you post on there is gone forever. It just means that there's a less chance that someone could hack into those inactive accounts and start assuming your identity or making posts or stealing information. And so if you're not using an account, just deactivate it or delete it. You don't need it. Be mindful of what you post online. You shouldn't be sharing personal information. So you shouldn't be telling people where you live. You shouldn't be sharing your phone number or your social security number. You don't need people to know your likes and your dislikes because they could eventually use that to maybe guess your password or to try and hack into your account. So just be mindful of what you actually post. Does it really matter that your hair is pink today? No, you don't really need to share that with people. Okay. Make sure that you check the privacy setting to see what is public and what isn't. So turn off your tagging features. So you can still have friends. So Facebook has the setting where your friends can see your information, or friends of friends, or anyone in the public can see it. Okay, so that would be your privacy setting. So if you only want certain people to see whatever information you're posting, then make sure you check your privacy setting and make sure it's set appropriately. If you don't want to be tagged in photos, make sure you turn off the tagging features, or talk to your friends and tell them, hey, I'm okay if you take a picture, just don't put my name in the photo, or don't put it on the post or on the comment, or tag me. Don't do that. Okay, so ways that you can protect yourself and make a smaller digital footprint. So what is an example of a positive digital footprint? Well, that would be a picture of you maybe at a charity event, or a post or a comment or an article that you wrote, or you're commenting on about something positive. Maybe you donated blood to the Red Cross. And what's an example of a negative digital footprint? Inappropriate comments that you make either on your social media platform or on someone else's, or photos that are inappropriate. All that stuff can come back and be used against you. So earlier I did ask, if you post something, do you think your boss can use that to determine if you get a job or not? And the answer is yes. So if you're posting inappropriate photos, if you're making inappropriate comments or offensive comments, a potential employer could not hire you because of what you posted online. And before you think, oh no, that doesn't happen, it does happen. It happens every single day. So be mindful of what you are posting. Make sure that it is appropriate. And the smaller the digital footprint you have, the better. The less chance the less chance someone will have to steal your identity. So just make sure that you are not putting too much information out there.